Hey vlog, good morning. Welcome to our Cuba vlog.
Good morning.
We have our Uber, 5-star Uber. He put our suitcases in the back and everything. I'll be rating you 5 stars. He also, oh my blocked. I'm trying to get my breakfast.
They're already
got my breakfast for me. Oh my gosh. Why is that stressing me out?
I don't know. They're already what?
At the gate.
They've been through the airport already.
No, they haven't.
Like,
They barely got there.
no, they got in at like 4 a.m.
I have my breakfast that I need to eat right now. We're going to meet Chad and Sarah at the airport.
Save you a seat.
Save you a seat? Okay. Oh, it's really dark right now. Yeah, no, I'm good. I braided Kiki's hair last
Hey,
night.
Celia Cruz.
Okay.
Okay. Celia Cruz.
We have to get these things. We didn't know this. Don't look at us. Bye, everyone's leaving us. Are you boarding with her?
I mean, I'm gonna just stay.
Let's just... Well, I mean, you have a bag. I don't.
In WhatsApp?
Carlos.
Oh my gosh, yes, please, for a moment. Ah, qué bueno.
¿Estás cómoda, mi amiga?
¿Qué?
¿Estás cómoda?
Are you comfortable?
Siempre. Siempre. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Hey, Vogie. We're heading out to go find some dinner, I believe. I need to go to the bathroom. I just need to find... We have to have our boarding passes with us as proof of health insurance, I guess. There's my visa. I'm gonna set you right here while I find... Okay. There's mine. And we have find Caitlin's. I'm not bringing y'all right now because I don't want to carry my black bag around. I am bringing this little guy. This used to be Sita's. We just went over to Tia Isa's house and met her daughter, Doretta, and her son-in-law. I forgot his name. But today, where's Caitlin's? In here somewhere. Oh, she has a Kit Kat. I'll give y'all a house tour later. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Hasta la bandera dominicana. Hasta la bandera puertorriqueña. Okay. There is Kiki's. I'm looking a little rough right now. Ow, my tag is like turning me inside. We'll just rip her out. That works. Hey vlog, y'all want to see our matching nightgowns? Let me show you. Wait.
But this fridge is in the way.
It's okay. My turn. Alfredo said. Estamos en Cuba. Estamos en Cuba.
He said it's not recommended to go at this hour.
We're not going to the store right now.
But thank you for being worried about us, Alfredo.
That is
Actually, I mean, Michael.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Michael.
I'm gonna turn my little lamp on. That helps the lighting actually so much. Like I could just sit here and debrief about our day. So, oh my gosh, it's a spotlight. And then the wind. No, look.
Oh,
It's a spotlight and the wind is blowing in my face.
I don't know what this one does.
I'm serving.
I think this one does.
It's really bright
That's
now.
a lighthouse sign or something. Whatever. That's creepy.
If I do it like that, then it's better because it's just like lighting up the room. Okay. Guys, it's so crazy being here because like,
Yeah, that's how I feel.
yeah.
So I
turn
can't.
it a little
This
bit.
is fake.
Why?
Are we really in Cuba?
No, I don't feel like we are. I feel like no way you just put your feet on the pillow.
I didn't need to.
I feel like I'm in the Dominican right now just because like the streets are very similar and like
It's not interview. So tell it, baby.
so I just need to wait, ask me a question. You just unplugged your reading lamp?
Yeah. With my phone. Sorry.
Look what I brought. I brought my Squishmallow. Guys, my content exam.
Oh my god.
This is what I got for passing my content exam. I got it for myself because I'm proud of myself. But I get my STR exam scores tomorrow and I think I'm gonna barf. So they come out at 10 p.m. Wait, that's 11 p.m. Either gonna look at 11 p.m. tomorrow night or tomorrow morning. I mean, Saturday morning.
This is fake. I'm keeping my lamp is going off, I guess.
That's okay. I have a lamp. I'm kind of thirsty.
This is actually fake.
Anyways, the vibes are very. You're going to bed. You might. Oh, I forgot my Kindle was right here. Guys, I read a book today.
Oh, Michael, you should do en la avenida venden esos. What avenida?
Wait, can you show? I got stuck on the airplane. How do you get out of the book? She's on airplane mode. Library. This one is How to Walk Away. Today I read The Heart Principle. Is there anything else we need to tell the book?
Oh, he's so kind.
Yeah.
He said, if you have a very urgency, he is able to go with you.
Oh, that's sweet.
No, somebody needs to respond and say, no es una emergencia.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were... Oh, gracias. No sería para la mañana.
But why does
We've
it
got
say
the AC
they
on.
say,
We've got the fan on.
a poco distancia hay un restaurante? Wait, what
I
does
should
it
hang out my
say?
dress for tomorrow.
Si desean desayunar. What is that? Temprano.
We serve a little distance away. There's a restaurant, but it serves breakfast. Yeah, guys, I just feel like I'm not here.
Hold on, this is fake. This isn't real life. How is this real life?
It's actually not. So
This is not life.
good night. Adios.
Adios.
Hasta mañana.
Se llama. That's where we went.
Wait.
El Vicky. He said
I-
they serve breakfast.
Love our magic milk.
It's so
Hey, vlog. Oh my gosh, it's so sweaty. I'm sweating so much. We have churros. Churros and water. And the rest of our family,
They left us.
they did.
Do you know how to open this?
Yeah. Just set the churros like in your lap. Like, hold the churros. Look at all these churros we got, guys. They're so freaking good. They look like french fries, like the shape of them. So we found breakfast and water. But don't know where everyone else is or what they're looking for still. Because we told them we're coming back to the house, so.
No, it's on your lap.
Oh, it's on my lap. Okay. Are they texting?
Yeah, they're coming.
Gotta hurry before we eat all the churros. I also put makeup on this morning, so now I'm like,
I didn't.
well, because my skin is kind of freaking out and I just like want to feel cute, you know?
Yeah.
We're going to learn how to make lunch. What time is it?
10:57.
Oh, we're getting picked up in 30 minutes. This is so fun. Hey vloggy, I'm so sweaty. Got our water. Lights off, air off. Heading downstairs to go cool off in the room like everyone else. Oh my gosh. It's so toasty outside. About to make some Celsius. Get some energy. LFG. Oh, good thing the vlog isn't on mommy.
What is?
I'm not showing you, I'm not showing you.
It's not a what is happening? Just what? Oh. Why do I have them? Hey, if Charity stands right up against the wall, she'll just be a floating head.
She blends in.
There
Okay.
you go.
I like to
Oh,
drink with Caitlin. Because Caitlin is my mate. I like to drink with Caitlin because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you don't want all my faces on your phone, I can give you my phone.
No, you're
It's just
good.
easier.
Now I'm just vlogging
Entonces
though.
estamos hablando de que nos gustaría encontrar un lugar
you were taking
donde
pictures.
comprarlo
I was.
Lo más típico, porque el área nosotros no.
Do you want to do some?
You got it.
Y esto tiene que ser
Oh.
her face. Like food savers, free savers, something.
Pero normalmente ya esta no la hacen.
Oh, estos no se, no se lo pueden comprar.
Ya esta no la hacen.
I'm a baby. This is
Así no.
hot.
La que hacen es la de madera,
Ajá.
que son estas así, como la que me enseñó de mí y esta que yo tengo para hacer los totones que yo.
In the U.S., the ones that look like this are big, and they're for Mexican tortillas.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like not like I've never seen it like this.
We use ours sometimes.
Yeah.
En los estados a veces podemos comprar algo similar, pero son bien grandes.
No la aprietes, ve, no la
Sí.
tanto, sino más bien es para aplastarlo y que ellos para que se queden como que suave y
She's saying they don't make these
Yeah, she
anymore.
said she doesn't think they
Oh.
It's very hard. Sometimes you find someone like a street center,
And
people that sell things in a corner, and they have them.
Okay.
It's,
Somewhere and they have like a Latin American shop, and I went into the lady. Oh, it was in Miami, but it wasn't in Calle Ocho. And I went in and I was like, "Do you have a tostanera?" And she wasn't Cuban. She was from I don't know, like somewhere in South America. She's like, "Tostanera." I'm like,
what's that?
para aplastar los plátanos. I live in Los Angeles, and there's a Cuban market that's like close-ish to where I live.
Piece of
And
cheese
so I
with
can
the
get
flag.
like malanga,
I love malanga.
Nochebuena, my mom loved turron, los turrones.
Yeah.
And so I could find turron there. It's nice because this
Yeah.
tastes like the
Oh yeah.
The bar with the
yeah. So after my tío Tomasa would send us stuff from Miami.
Yeah, they sell it here. You will see it in small, Cuban markets, not the fancy markets in Havana. The small ones, they sell the water bars.
Oh. I look every time I'm anywhere that has
You're
Cuban.
not talking about the paste?
No.
Hey girl.
¿Está bien el aire así o te lo pongo más fuerte?
Do you guys need the air on higher?
No, it's good.
Qué bueno.
Oh, it's so dark back there.
No, ahí está en el mínimo.
sería? Medium,
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
well,
Like,
red,
yeah, medium-ish.
medium.
medium. Medium pepper.
Croquetas de pargo. And lobster. If anybody likes lobster, he said they can do it many different ways.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy, but she is dead. Yeah. Y lo la camarón a la parmesana.
La appetizer, solo la croqueta de pescado para ustedes y croqueta de jamón. ¿Así está bien?
Sí, o si quieren.
La yuca sí puede ser que pueden probar hasta 2 o 3 personas. Pero ya el puré y eso sería bastante poco.
Ok, ¿podría doblarlo?
Dos y dos yo creo que está mal.
Ok, perfecto.
Croquetas, la de jamón trae 4 y la de pescado trae 5. ¿Está bien así?
Y queremos papas fritas.
Papas fritas. ¿Esos supongo de entrada o acompañarlas?
Do you want them with your food or you want them at the beginning? Antes. Lo quiere alguien. Como malanga, sorry, I made a decision.
Are you looking at me?
Just a lot. Do you want
I would know because I'm
so
just
you just want the water? Okay.
I was just going like this and then mommy looked at me funny, so that's why I was. Bro, why are you so cold? Cold?
Yeah, there's a fan.
It's the motos of the hashi, like for real. You have this the reference of the multiple. Of the multiple. We're walking. We're walking. It's about a storm though, so we're not hanging out at this beach for very long. We just came for the pics because this beach is gorgeous. And now we're going to a cave, right? Honestly, we don't really know. We keep getting mixed information, so.
Okay, here to the right is a very deep. Look at the sport, 22 meters deep.
Hey vlog. Let's talk to y'all.
Take your meds.
Yeah, cool. I need to turn these down a little low. Okay. Hey everyone, happy Sunday. We went to church. Wait, yeah, we went to church. We went to Tia Isa's. No, we took a nap. We went to lunch. Delicious. We took a nap.
Do you want one of these?
I already got some people there. Plus, I ate like 6 of them earlier.
There's only 3 left.
I know. I don't want to eat the last one without talking to you.
I'll eat one and then you can have one tomorrow.
For breakfast? We also have dulce de leche ones, so not.
Oh yeah.
So you can finish them if you want. Anyways, then we both had really bad headaches, so did you sleep or just chill?
Slept.
We both slept until we went to lunch.
Mm-hmm. We got woken up for lunch.
Oh, we got woken up for lunch. And then we...
Went to lunch for like 3 hours.
Oh my gosh, we were at lunch for so long. And it was so good though. Lots of laughs. Silly Spanish. And then we came back, took another nap because the headaches were still there. And then we went back to Tia. It's fine, you're good. I'm just storytelling.
We didn't go back, we never went.
Oh yeah, then we went to Tia Isa's house for several hours. We just like heard all about her life, looked at lots of pictures, and like scanned a bunch of pictures so that we could have them. And it was really cool because they were like pictures of our grandma Sita as a baby, or like
As a little kid.
as like a little kid, because she left when she was 10. So I mean, like, she wasn't that old in the pictures, but it was really cool. And then
We went to Waters.
oh yeah, we went and bought new waters, a whole big case of them this time.
Yep. And some more
Snackies and treats.
some sodas.
Oh, bye. So funny.
Nice to meet you.
I got a pineapple soda and Caitlin got mango juice, and then we shared.
So good actually. Your I was almost to say your pango one. Your pineapple one was really good.
I know.
That mango juice was good.
We could go get more tomorrow when we get back at night.
I'm not here.
Came back here, just hung out, had some minty bees, some emotional chats. You know what happens, family. Boo. Sobbed my eyes out. So did she. Then I told the vlog like everything.
My head probably hurts even more now. We're gonna need some drinks and liquid IV tomorrow.
They said we were gonna need some drinks tomorrow, and I was like, well, we're not going to the bar. We're going to the club at lunchtime.
Oh yeah, lunchtime.
And I said, let's go back at dinner, or I mean after dinner.
They're not gonna let us.
I know. I've never been to a real club, only bars.
Clubs are fun.
They're so fun here.
I bet. I love Spanish music. 'Cause I don't understand any of it. They don't have chicken in the club.
Yeah, patatas fritas.
I'm like bust down, and you're like, my chicken. Anyways, and tomorrow we have like this driving around chauffeur.
What?
Say it? Chauffeur tour thing. They're like driving us to all these places.
Not a tour.
It's fine. No, it's more just
We have
chauffeur.
chauffeurs. Because we're famous.
And this guy drove the Kardashians around, and he's been on YouTube before. So he'll be on YouTube again when I put him on the vlog. Anyways,
Oh, that's kind of sad that we're not going to be together. We can be together in the afternoon.
Yeah. So in the morning we're going to drive around to like where Sita and Isa used to live, and then like to their old house, to the cemetery.
No, we're going to their old house. Then we're going to Fusterlandia,
Which is like
Instagram
super
fun.
Pretty pictures.
And then we're going to lunch at 18:30. It's this place where you can see the ocean. It's like super
And
fun.
club at night.
Okay, it's a club at night. Well, there's a salsa club like kind of behind it at night. Anyways, we're not going there. This place is also open till 2 a.m., but they won't let us go. So trash. And then we're going to the cemetery.
And then we're coming back.
We're gonna go drop Isa off, and then we're gonna
go back
take
out?
a break for like an hour.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go back out, and we have things that we want to see, which are we want to go to they want to see the cannons at 9 o'clock.
That's bedtime.
I know, it's fine. You'll live. It's literally 11:25. Oh my gosh, my Duolingo's gonna be like.
It's 11?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Good freaking night. Keep talking faster. The cannons, some other things that were on the list. I don't really remember.
So they want to see the cannons at 9 o'clock. That's why we have to start at 10 because by the time we do the cannons and then come back, that's gonna be 12 hours.
Oh, we get
We
12.
can't start till 10 because we get 12 hours with our chauffeurs.
Even though we're taking a midday siesta.
Correct. So, anyways, but then we're gonna go at 5 o'clock. From 5 to 5:30, you can go on the observation deck at this cool fortress place. You can like see a lot of cool things from up there. You can see like the whole city. But there's only 30 minutes. Like it's open 3 times a day for 30 minutes.
So
The
we're
observation
getting in,
deck.
getting out.
Okay. Go.
5 to 5:30.
No quiero. Gracias.
5 to
Okay.
5:30.
Anyways, we also want to go to El Cristo,
Oh yeah. On the
and Sarah wants to hug him.
Right. My watch
okay.
came off of my sleep last night.
That's weird.
And I have the sheet.
Oh, we did not have that last night.
I had it.
Oh, Hog. Can you put this on the
You're really stressing me out that you're eating under the comforters.
under? I'm on top of. Don't worry, guys. Wait, stop! You told me to grab the sheet.
Please stop.
We were gonna go
I
to this
thought that was
ice.
a bug, and it's the string
Can you
from
hush?
my...
Is that registered over there? Oh no. Anyways, we're gonna go. We were gonna go to this ice cream shop, but it doesn't. It's closed on Mondays,
Oh,
so we can't go there.
so was the Marcus.
So, oh yeah, we're not going there either. There's like some places that we're gonna get them to take us.
Bedtime reading. Solo para 10 minutos. That's like my... ¿Te toco? I'm tired, dude. And this book, I'm not really into it yet. So,
What is it?
Someone Else's Shoes.
Sketchy.
6,000.
They stole the shoes.
So far, it's these 2 ladies, and they grabbed each other's gym bags.
Oh.
And they have like the wrong shoes. Yeah, this is like my 5th or 6th book so far.
If
since
I
we've
start
been in
reading right
Cuba.
now, I will finish my book.
Yeah, well,
Y no es bueno. It's too late.
you just gonna go to bed?
Maybe.
Now that we've been yapping for almost 12 minutes.
Oh,
Dude, sometimes I yap on here for like 30.
what do you do?
It's real hard to edit. Half of it is me going like this.
Are you kidding?
We're starting the same story over 5 times. Okay. Good night. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Sad.
So Trump
Qué
blocked
triste.
Johnson & Johnson from selling them.
We went to the market this morning. Bought lots of stuff. Stuff we didn't need to buy, but we wanted to. So,
Gotcha.
we did need to buy it.
En el medio de
Just to
todo
show you
eso,
one thing.
caíamos en una crisis energética,
Caitlin and I got matching
ya la
hats.
estamos viviendo, pero más cruel todavía, porque todo el dinero que se tenía se invirtió. Dinero que teníamos de
So what I
prestado,
do on the phone is
se
my phone
invirtió
died.
en
That's why I was confused.
fabricar
Ran
los
out of
propios
data last night,
respiradores
guys.
pulmonares para poder salvar y la vacuna. Y entonces este cointero, para poder acceder al
We're
petróleo,
learning.
debemos tener